Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your Snapchat. Now go ahead over to this icon right here. Before it was a magnifying glass. Now it's this kind of emoji right here. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. Now use the search bar at the top right and find green screen. Okay. Wait for it to load. Other ones that loads, use the green screen right here at the very top. Now, as you can see here, we can now go ahead and select a photo that you would like to send as snaps. Okay. For example, just this one. All right. Now you may notice some flickers in here. Just make sure that nothing is blocking your camera. Or as you can see here, I'm using my hand. Okay. Just make sure that nothing is blocking your camera. Or you can just go ahead and move it until it's gone. And then after that, go ahead and take a snap and send it to whoever you want. Okay? There you have it. Send. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right here. There you go. That is how you send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.